Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. Devja, pediatrician, pediatric pulmonologist, intensivist and child sleep specialist, India. Today I am going to describe in short interpretation of chest radiograph in children. Particularly in children it is very difficult to take a good chest radiograph, chest x-ray. Before that, today I am paying tribute to legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chand Roy on his death anniversary as well as birth anniversary on 1st July, and we observe this 1st July as National Doctors Day. So Dr. Bidhan Chand Roy was such a physician who could smell the disease and who said that serving man is serving God. So a good physician treats the disease, a great physician treats a person who has disease. With this, I initiate chest radiograph, how to interpret. So before interpreting a chest radiograph, we should check the technical perfection of the chest radiograph, whether it has been taken in a technically perfect way or not. If it is not, then interpretation will be wrong most of the time. For this, I have made a mnemonic PIER, P-I-E-R, that is P for projection, whether it has been taken in PA view or AP view. I for inspiratory or expiratory, whether the film is inspiratory or expiratory. E is exposure, exposure is accurate, hypoexposed, that is underexposed or overexposed. R stands for rotation, whether it is rotated or not rotated. So if the film is accurate, that is PA view, erect posture, if it is taken in inspiratory position, if there is no rotation and exposure is correct, then only there is chance that we will interpret the chest radiograph in a correct way. Sometimes it is our compulsion to take chest radiograph in lying down AP position, like in neonates in NICU or children admitted in pediatric intensive care unit. In that case, we have to apply a different mindset to interpret the chest radiograph, but we should conclude only by correlating it with our clinical findings. So we have to check first the technical perfection, then we have to interpret the chest radiograph, and then we will have to correlate it clinically to make a respiratory diagnosis. For detail, please join fellowship program in pediatric pulmonology, bronchoscopy and sleep study under Respiratory Foundation of India. Take care, be aware. Thanks.